Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean and prepare a fish before cooking. How to gut a fish before cooking. The fish we're using today is a sea bass. In France it's known as a bar. And the reason I've chosen a sea bass to clean is because we're going to have to descale it as well. So I want to show you the whole process. So in this step-by-step video on how to clean a fish before cooking, you'll see me descaling the fish, gutting the fish, and then removing the head at the end. The reason I've moved the head at the end is because some people would like to keep the head for presentation. So let's get on with cleaning the fish. Okay guys, the first job is to scale the fish, and you'll notice if you run your thumb from head to tail, the fish is smooth, but if you go the opposite direction, it's rough. And that's basically what makes the fish aerodynamic. So to remove the scales, we have to move the knife from the tail towards the head. So just take the sharp end of your knife. Doesn't take much, and I don't know if you can see there, there's a definitive line. Okay guys, so just carry on scraping along the body. That's the first side done, and just turn it over and repeat the process. Stick around to the end guys, and I'll show you my favourite way of cooking sea bass. Cooked in 30 minutes and you really get to taste the beauty of this fish. It's one of my favourite fish, so stick around to the end. When you are scaling guys, descaling, always do it over a sink because it does get quite messy. And there we are. That's all descaled now. Okay guys, time to gut the fish. If you flip the fish over, you'll see a vent. Just insert the tip of your knife into the vent and then just work your way up towards the head. Open her up, just get the knife in and just scrape out all the guts. Now if you're taking the head off, this is a lot easier to clean because all the guts are removed when you take the head off as well. But if you're going to keep the head on for presentation, just open it up and get your fingers in the cavity and then just pull out any remaining bits and pieces. And it's as simple as that, to clean a fish before you cook it. How to gut a fish. If you're going to cut the head off guys, take your knife just under this fin, pectoral fin, and cut towards the head halfway down. Flip her over, pectoral fin towards the head. There we are. And I'll now show you how to cook a sea bass, my favourite method. Okay guys, as promised, here is my recipe on how to cook a sea bass. Just put it in a baking tray with silver foil. Take some butter, put some on the inside, some on the outside, and then just wrap it up nice and tight. Put it in a preheated oven at 210 degrees for 30 minutes. The fish will bake in all those butter juices and it will taste absolutely delicious. And 30 minutes at 210 degrees, you've got a wonderful meal. Hope you enjoy guys. There we are guys. Perfectly cooked sea bass. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this short video showing you how to clean and how to gut a fish before cooking. Once you know how to do one fish, every other fish is more or less the same, apart from a flat fish, which I'll show you how to do in the next video. But thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and give us a big like. See you again soon. Take care.